people have been asking for nose blows, so before I check it out, let me just do that. So yeah, if you don't like nose blows, then don't listen to this. Sometimes blowing my nose will actually make me sneeze. And I'm not sure if it's going to happen this time, but it kind of feels like it. Yes, I think so. I'll start. Shit. Oh, fuck.